Imagine generating multiple AI videos automatically with just one click. No complicated editing, no manual work, and the best part, everything in this video uses completely free tools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Chrome extension, generate multiple videos automatically along with ChatGPT to create dozens of AI videos in minutes. You'll learn how to generate prompts, automate the entire video creation process, and download all your videos automatically. So if you want to scale AI video creation fast, watch this video till the end.
Wow, what a beautiful day for an adventure!
Let's see what surprises we find. Look, the river is glowing.
Nature is amazing!
Do you hear that creaking? Something feels wrong.
Whoa, that was close! I won't let you fall! We did it! Let's get to safe ground! You're safe now. Everything will be okay. Look, the sun is coming back.
The storm is ending.
Ready to go home?
We'll walk with you.
That was quite an adventure. Teamwork made it possible. High five, partner. Best team ever.
Look, it found its family. That makes me so happy.
Helping others feels amazing.
Kindness makes the world brighter.
Thanks for being such a great friend. Always, Mickey. We can handle anything together. That's the power of teamwork. Friendship means helping each other. Together, we make the world better.
So welcome to AI Agent Studio. Here we explore the world of AI agent and automation projects, tools, resource for all things AI and AI agents. So subscribe now, it's free, and click the bell icon for latest AI updates. Let's start today's video.
First, open a new tab and type Grok automation in the search bar. After searching, click on the first link. Once the page opens, you will see the extension page. Click on Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear showing the Add Extension button. Click on it to install the extension. Now the extension has been successfully added. Next, go back to your browser. Click on the extensions icon at the top of the browser and find the Grok automation extension. Click on the extension and you will see its interface. Now click on Navigate to Grok. This will open the main Grok interface, where you can see many different and unique generated results. Now let's move to the control settings. First, set the mode to text to video. Then set the number of concurrent prompts. Scroll down a little and set the prompt delay to 20. Next, go to the prompt section. Scroll down and then click on Settings. Now configure the following settings. Default model, text to video. Model, default. Default aspect ratio, 16:9 YouTube. Output videos per prompt, 1. Output images per prompt, 6. Default video frame, 6 seconds. Max frames per prompt, frame to video, 1 image. Max images per prompt, image to image, 1 image. Max retries on failure, 5. Auto download quality, 480p. Language, English. After setting everything, click on the Save button. Once the settings are saved, scroll back up and return to the control section. Now open ChatGPT in a new tab. You can see that ChatGPT is open. Next, type the master prompt in the message box. Don't worry about where to find the master prompt. It is available in the description. Simply go there, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. After pasting the prompt, press Enter and wait while ChatGPT processes the request. Once the processing is complete, ChatGPT will generate multiple prompts. For example, you will see prompt 1, prompt 2, and so on, up to 20 prompts. Now copy all 20 prompts. Next, go back to Grok Automation and paste all the prompts into the prompt section. After pasting the prompts, you can also set the video duration if needed. After that, scroll down and click the Run button. Now the main automation process will start. Using this automation tool, all the videos will be generated automatically. The process is very simple. You only need to enter the prompt details once, and the tool will automatically generate videos for all 20 prompts. The best part is that all the videos will be downloaded automatically after they are generated. Let's fast forward the process.
As you can see, all 20 prompt-to-video results have now been generated and downloaded successfully. Final step: edit the video. Now open your video editing software. First, import all the generated scene videos into the editor. Next, place the videos on the timeline and arrange them according to the correct scene order. After that, adjust the audio volume. Add transitions between the clips. Once everything looks good, click the export button. Set the export settings as needed, and click export again. Now wait for the video to finish exporting. Your final video is now ready.
And that's how you can automatically generate multiple AI videos using ChatGPT and Grok automation. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.